quick video on wet sanding. I know the heater's loud, but I can't stand it without it. I'm using 800, 1500, 2000, 3000, and then a buffing pad. And this is a shitty paint job. You can see all the peel it's got in it. We've already done the hood, so gives you an idea of what it turns out like. Like I said, Tractor Supply, New Holland blue, I think, something like that. I put a little flake in it, sprayed it with some Glamour clear coat, and it looks good for, you know, somebody homemade doing what they do. But as it dries, that's what it's going to look like. I'm just kind of tired of all these guys on YouTube talking about careful on your edges and all that. I could probably go over this with 800 until I was sick of going over it before I would ever burn through. It's got 2 good coats of clear on it. So, it is what it is. I'm getting it flat, fixing to hit this door. Roof's already half-assed done. I think it looks good. Anyway,